you today? Hoping you're doing well. It's your girl Anne, and I'm back again with a very interesting video kama kawaida. How have you been? I hope you have been good. I've been doing great. It's a while, man, since we meet here, and guess what? Today I'm back here after so long. Hata sijui nilikuwa nafanya nini by the way, but guess what? I'm back, and I'm back like I never left. It's like a month or two since we shooted, or since we uploaded something in our YouTube, and back in our kitchen. By the way, this is our kitchen. This is not our previous kitchen, but this is our kitchen because of few reasons zenye nitawambia later. So my people, let me take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my YouTube channel, Cook with Anne Mumbi. Yay! When you hear Cook with Anne Mumbi, I know you know automatically what I'm meaning. My guys, I'm here for a plan for your family. I'm here to give you some few and easy ways to make some delicious meals for your beloved ones. So my people, for today, before I tell you what you are going to do for today, let me take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hey, karibu sana, man. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my videos, and thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. I say thank you so much. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much, Maze, for your trust, for your continued support. Thank you so much, man, for your support. That's all I can say. Kamkono. I can say thank you so much, man. And for my new subscribers, again, I say thank you so much, and karibu nyumbani. This is a place where you should be always. This is a place where we are going to learn together with you. We are going to educate each other. We are going to make mistakes and correct each other. Okay? Mistakes. Okay. Now, what? But I've missed you by the missed you guys, my people, and I decided I should take you through what I'm making for my people today. I wanted to make some chapatis. Yes, some chapatis, and I said walk you through the process, and you are most welcome to work with me through the process as I show you how we make some chapatis. Okay, come with me as I show you the process. And again, don't forget to subscribe, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. We are 100 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm so thankful for that, for the support. By the way, tell a friend to subscribe. You share to your WhatsApp groups, to your family groups, by the way, to your FB's accounts. You share by the way, and tusaidiane tu, hakuna otherwise duniani kusaidiana tu, kwenye imefika ni kusaidiana tu. So subscribe. So come with me as I show you our ingredients for today. As I have told you, we are going to make some chapatis. So come with me as I show you our ingredients for today. So come with me. So for the chapatis, here I have a very clean bowl, and I've mixed some sugar and some salt, and ile kama lenge ndogo ndo inaitwa butternut. So we have some butternut here. We have some cooking oil. Okay, you can say that's my cooking oil. And we have some carrots. Yeah, these are my carrots. I've grated them to this some small pieces. Even the butternut, I've even grated it. And we have some rolling stick here. Yeah, this is my rolling stick. And we have some clean towel, and we have our all-purpose home baking flour. Sawa, ndio ya kifaru. Ya kifaru ndio natumia leo. Let me try it for the first time and then I tell you the experience. Sawa. So those are our ingredients for today. Leo tunaenda kupika something different from whatever you are used to. My people, learn to try some new recipes. Sawa. Don't be used to that one common yenye umezoea. So for today we are going to try this one with you. So we go straight to our besheni. We pour our flour. I'm the cameraman, so don't worry. I'm the cameraman. Dogo atupiki mingi. We are just 3 of us in the house. Me, the nanny, and the child. So atupiki chapati mingi. Yeah, these are our flour. So you mixed it. Msishagae, I'm left-handed. So these, and make sure your hands are clean. Mine are super clean. Sawa? Yeah, so you mix the flour plus the sugar and the salt zishike vizuri. Then we add our butternut. And then our here comes our carrots. Yes. Let me show how to make some soft chapatis zenye your people aki watu wako watakuwa wanasema weekend itafika lini nikuje ni weekend itafika lini tupikiwe ile chakula. Cause mix hivyo you add some oil. Yeah, kidogo tu, sio mingi. Yeah, like that. Yeah, good. Mafuta iko na bei, so we kila kitu imepanda. Mungu ni atatusaidia tu. So you mix well. Again, after you mix, now kila kitu imemixiwa tu vizuri. It's now niongeza maji, as you can see. And now we mix well. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? You can see the colors here, the butternut and the carrots. Wow, so nice. Yeah, acha tuitengeneze, then I'll show you. So guys, here is our duff. So nice. Our duff is ready. Let's give it like 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, we come and proceed with our process. So after 15 minutes, my people, let's see how our organ looks like. Wow, so soft. Wow, you can see how soft it is. Just a chapati. This is what makes our chapati be so soft. You can see, so soft. Let's get into it. You can see, but tudogo. Let's make our small chapatis. Mommy, stop. I divided our duff into 2 pieces. So this is the first one, and this is our second lot. So let's make our second one. Now we are done, and this is our final result. You see, we are done rolling them, and this is our final result. So don't worry about all these any flour. Yeah, that's flour. Now let's go and make some chapati. Now let me show you the secret of chapati zenye ziumbabuka. Let me show you. Layers, chapatis with some layers, chapatis with some layers, whatever the reason, whatever you shall call them. Let me show you. Cover the duffs with a clean towel. a kitchen towel. Yeah, and then now we start the process. Now we are going to start with this one. Our first round is ready. Now let's go to our second round. So nice. Sasa acha tupake our chapati somewhere. Tupake sasa mafura. You see? So nice. Ziko hivi na hatujapaka mafuta. Now let's do it. Acha tupake mafuta sasa. You see, our chapatis are now ready. As you can see, they are super ready. Now let me show you venye ziko. Niwakatie niwaonyeshe how layered they are. Okay, curious abi. Now my people, as you can see, our chapatis ndo hizi hapa. Ndo hizi hapa, as you can see, and they are so soft. They are so layered. Zinambabuka. Now let's try this one and see. Moto. Unaona our layered chapatis. Wow. So nice. You see? That's how our chapatis are. Oh, moto. No easy chapati zetu. Mamabuka, they are so layered. And I'm so grateful for that. So my people, I think you're gonna follow that recipe. And now my people, we have come to the end of our today's video. As you have seen, yote ni kusweat. Ni kwa nini msisubscribe to my YouTube channel na mnaona venye na sweat nikiwaletea vitu moto vitu mpya. Don't mind that my kid playing outside. And that's all for today. You have seen how we have made our chapatis, some layered chapatis. So go try them for your family. You make for your family, for your friends, and they're gonna enjoy the video. So you like, you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave down our comments. Bye bye till we meet again. Bye.